In relation to the transport of cargoes, let me apprise this committee that last Saturday, November 26, the PNP and the Philippine Army discovered a Shabu laboratory in the island province of Catanduanes, particularly in Barangay Palta, Municipality of Dirac, the provincial capital. The things seized during the operation were described as high-tech and consisted of hydrogenator, motorized mixing apparatus, glasswares, weighing scales, and chemicals. Not so long ago, the President himself went to Pampanga and discovered a Shabu laboratory. Halos pareho din po ang nakita nila sa Catanduanes. Now, hanggang ngayon po, hindi ko pa rin lubos maisip why the people behind this Shabu lab had the guts to set it up in Catanduanes, in my own province. I am now wondering what the involved government agencies, local government units, and law enforcement personnel are all doing while all of this were happening. At any rate, I have just filed today House Resolution 585 calling for the concerned transport agencies, including the Philippine Coast Guard, the Marina, the Maritime Industry Authority, to suppress the trafficking of illegal drugs. Ang supply po ng droga o ang pagdadala ng mga kagamitan para sa paggawa nito ay isang transport issue. Kagaya sa isla ng Catanduanes, the primary way to transport these drugs and equipment is through our sea vessels. These drugs and equipment and chemicals used to manufacture, I think may picture. It happened last Saturday, pero may mga nakulang pictures. These drugs and equipment and chemicals used to manufacture them should be treated not just as dangerous cargoes, but prohibited items at all costs. The PCG and Marina, through extensive inspection and coordination, without compromising trade facilitation, can prevent the supply and logistics side of the drug issue the country is currently facing. Probably, our frontline agencies support by the relax. And that is why they are emboldened to transport this equipment to be used in the construction, installation of drug laboratory. So we are expecting all these reports and updates from our maritime agencies today. We are grateful for your presence and we are looking forward to a fruitful meeting with you.